Power yoga and tips. Elevate your fitness and strength. Power yoga is a dynamic, fitness-based form of yoga that combines the traditional benefits of yoga with an emphasis on strength, stamina, and flexibility. It's a more intense style of yoga that focuses on building muscle, increasing endurance, and improving cardiovascular health. Whether you're looking to enhance your fitness routine or take your yoga practice to the next level, Power Yoga offers a comprehensive workout for both body and mind. What is Power Yoga? Power Yoga evolved from the Ashtanga tradition, focusing on a set sequence of breath-related postures. Power Yoga's sequences are often less rigid, allowing for more freedom and creativity. The primary goal is to offer a total body workout that challenges your strength, balance, and flexibility while also providing the calming benefits of traditional yoga. Unlike the slower, meditative styles of yoga, Power Yoga involves fast-paced sequences that elevate your heart rate. It's often practiced in a warm room to help muscles relax and stretch more effectively. Power Yoga is perfect for those seeking a high-energy yoga class that helps build strength and burn calories. Benefits of Power Yoga: builds strength. Through poses that require body weight and holding challenging positions, Power Yoga helps strengthen muscles. Improves flexibility. Regular practice helps improve joint flexibility and muscle elasticity. Enhances cardiovascular health. The continuous flow of movements improves heart health and burns fat. Increases mental focus. Like traditional yoga, Power Yoga encourages mindfulness and concentration, helping you remain present throughout the practice. Boosts stamina and endurance. With its high-intensity approach, Power Yoga increases endurance and stamina over time. Reduces stress. Despite its intensity, Power Yoga incorporates mindful breathing, which can help alleviate stress and calm the mind. Tips for Power Yoga practice. 1. Start with a proper warm-up. Power Yoga can be intense, so preparing your body by warming up properly is essential. Gentle stretches, sun salutations, or light yoga poses can help loosen your muscles and improve circulation before diving into more challenging sequences. 2. Focus on breathing. Breath control, pranayama, is a cornerstone of any yoga practice. In Power Yoga, breathing profoundly and consistently is crucial, as it helps maintain energy levels and provides focus. Inhale and exhale deeply through your nose, coordinating each movement with your breath. This will also help you power through challenging poses. 3. Use proper alignment. Just like in traditional yoga, proper alignment is key in Power Yoga. Maintaining adequate form reduces the risk of injury and ensures you benefit most from each pose. If you need more clarification, consider taking a class or working with an instructor to perfect your alignment. 4. Challenge yourself, but know your limits. Power Yoga can be intense, but it's essential to challenge yourself sustainably. If a pose feels too tricky or you experience pain, take a break, modify it, or skip it altogether. Yoga is about progress, not perfection, so listen to your body. 5. Stay hydrated. Power Yoga often involves sweating, especially in warm conditions. Stay hydrated before, during, and after your practice to help replenish lost fluids and maintain energy levels throughout the session. 6. Be consistent. Like any fitness regimen, consistency is vital to seeing results with Power Yoga. Aim for regular practice, 3-4 units a week or daily. Over time, you'll see strength, flexibility, and overall fitness improvements. Conclusion: Power Yoga is a transformative practice that offers both physical and mental benefits. It's parents for those looking for a vigorous workout combined with the mental clarity and mindfulness yoga provides. By following the tips above and practicing regularly, you can increase your strength, flexibility, and cardiovascular health while reaping yoga's spiritual benefits.